Hi, I'm Caroline Vedder, Senior Civil Engineer with the City of Fairfield Public Works Department, and you're watching Street Smarts. Today, we are talking about the Community Development Block Grant funded Linear Park Trail Lighting Project. The Linear Park Trail Lighting Project consists of replacing approximately 37 light poles and housing pads on the Linear Park Trail from Interstate 80 to 2nd Street. Prior to this project, the city had completed another project where the existing light fixtures were replaced with new, more efficient LED light fixtures. This project will complete all lighting upgrades for this trail section. Construction began mid-January and is estimated to be completed by the end of February, weather permitting. Look for detour signs during construction as portions of the trail will be closed to keep the public safe. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.
To view more programs like this, follow the City of Fairfield on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.